guys, I am back with another video. I'm going to be filming my Get Ready With Me for a concert. I'm going to see Sam Smith tonight. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so you can stay up to date with all the videos that I post. And let's get right into it. I already did my eyebrows. As you can see, I feel like they're kind of too filled in now, so I might just blur them, whatever, you know what I mean, in the front. Ew, there's hair all up in that one. Not using that. Let me just do this real quick because I really hate when they're like blocks on my face. Now we're just gonna do the eyes, so I guess I'll just zoom you guys in. I am going to be priming my eyes and I'm just gonna use concealer. Fun fact, I got 4 shades darker because I've been suntanning a lot. So this one concealer that I had that I thought wasn't that much lighter than me is probably gonna be perfect for me. And I'm just gonna use it to prime my eyelids. It's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Hazelnut. And then I'll use my beauty blender to fill it in because I don't really want to use my fingers. Oh my gosh, my thing is so disgusting. Rub it in. Hope I'm doing this right. This is a joke. This is a whole entire joke that I lost my concealer this fast. I'm applying more because my eyelids be getting super oily. Yeah, that's how much I should do. I think I'll use this. I'm gonna use random brushes because that's where I am in my life right now. I am so oily. Like, it's a darn shame. Like, do you see this up here? Like, ew. Yeah, I just messed up my baby hairs that I attempted to do today. And now I'm going to set my eyes using the OG Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Since I have really oily eyelids, you want to try and set with powder, which is what everyone does, like the golden rule. The palette I'm going to be using is the Violet Voss Like a Boss. I think the first color that I want to use, as in my transition shade, is Serve. I feel like it's coming up super light on camera, but I promise you it's not like that light. I'm going to be taking Serve with a fluffy crease brush. My gosh, the oiliness on my face is unreal. I'm sorry if I'm bothering. I forgot I had a big mirror on this. This is so much better. I don't know why I look like such a grease ball though, but whatever. I don't know why my camera likes to stop recording automatically. We gotta stop doing that. It's a new day and age. I'm going to be using Women Crush Wednesday. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Just work with me. Oh jeez. Okay. So now that I did that, maybe I should use Baddie. How about I really didn't see this color? Okay, I'm about to use Baddie. Put that all over my lid. Oh, jeez. I keep, like, doing that. Right there. I think right there is good. I'll go in with Strong, which is right here. And I'll put that in my crease, and I'm using a pencil brush. I'm doing this like in a super messy way because I'm just gonna blend it out soon. Okay, I have an idea of what I want to do now after I went into all this, and I'm just gonna take like one tap of Serve. I don't know why that came out. I think it was what was already on my brush. That's why it came out looking pinkish. And then I'm just going to blend. And like, you gotta blend for a while. Like, that's what I learned. Like, you see these makeup tutorials of people doing their makeup and stuff, and obviously they edit it to make it shorter and not too long to watch and stuff, because they really do blend a lot. For my brow bone, I'm going to use Hustle for my brow bone. I just hate how oily I'm looking, bro. Now, going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and I'm going to do my lashes. Oh, that took a while. So, now that I'm done putting on mascara, I'm going to go put on falsies and then I'm going to come back. What did I even just say? Okay. I'll be back. First thing I'm going to be doing is priming my face with my Fenty Beauty primer. This is the, what is it, the Pro Filter, Soft Matte Pro Filter primer, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my face. And I'm just going to rub it in. Now, I'm going in with my summer foundation that I have. I used to be 400. Like, this is my summer shade. You see how light this is compared to me? And now I'm this. 450. Like, that's how tan I got. I'm just gonna dot this. This is new, so. Oh no. Okay. I don't want to put like too much on, you know. I'm not one to like really have a lot of foundation on my face. I'm gonna use this brush and I'm just going to put my foundation on my face. Or rub it in, or whatever you want to say. Yeah, this is like exactly my skin. Which is crazy. Like, Rihanna really be coming through. At first she gave me 430. And then I went back and I saw another lady at the same Sephora. And then she was like, yeah, you're 450. And I was like, wow. I got tan, bro. Like, I got so tan. I don't know. I feel like this looks a little dark for my skin tone. Hold on. Didn't know if I recorded all the stuff that I just did, but I basically just found out that my foundation is not the right shade, so I'm a little mad. So I had to go and use my winter shade, my super light winter shade, and try it, like, calm it down. And then I used my Black Radiance Ebony powder to contour, and I used my ColourPop blush. It's called Super Shock Cheek, and it's in Never Been Kissed. So I just did that real quick, and now I'm about to go in with my palette, which is super oily. Yo, this is a bad video, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on. It's all because my foundation isn't the right shade. Let's just be honest. I'm just gonna do Moonstone and Tourmaline and just combine them and then just highlight, you know. Oh, that was a lot. Wow. Sorry, I'm like super far away. How about my highlights? Just ridiculous. So it's just gonna have to stay this ridiculous. This is this really old Revlon Color Stay Quad that I have, and it's called Sea Mist. And I'm just gonna be taking the green down here and putting that underneath my eyes, because that's what I was planning on doing. So I'm gonna be taking this, and I know there's probably stuff on it. I hope not. And I'm going to. What is life today? Don't even know. But I'm gonna be putting this underneath my eyes. Oh wow, that is some serious green. Wow. I'm doing something different. They're gonna be like, ooh, so fancy. Oh, what the fork is in my eye though? Should I use amaze balls? Let me use amaze balls. Let me just see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is like bomb. And now we do the bottom. Lashes. So now, as for the lips, and I have no clue what I'm doing for my lips. I'm sick of having to figure out what to do. One of these. Let's see. No, that's definitely too bright. Oh my god. Why are these so... What color? Oh, what color is this? This is Tulle? Why is it so bright? Why are these colors so bright? And then this is like too light. Like, what is that? Like, ew. So we're gonna be using this NYX lip liner in Brown Cafe. Brown Cafe. And then I'm gonna go in with a Gutowski's collab with ColourPop. As you see, I love ColourPop. And this is the blotted lip. It's an ultra blotted lip, and it's Party Wave. So I'm gonna be using this. Oh yeah. This is the color that I wanted. And now, sorry that was so high pitched. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is my first time ever using this, so it just better freaking work. Wow, that's weird. There's like this cap, and then this cap, and then this cap. Why are there two caps? Okay, how about it's new so it didn't come, there we go. And I am done the makeup look after all of the struggle. So, hope you guys liked this video. This is like a completely different look that I've ever done with like the green and the purple. I think it looks so cool. I don't know if you guys can tell. You can tell when I zoomed in. Like I said, yeah, you can tell when I like zoomed in and stuff how it's like purple on top and then like green on the bottom. It's just super duper cute. But I hope you guys like this. So this is the finished makeup look, you know, looking all good, glowy. What's up is good. And yeah, so let's just head right into the outfit.